Hi guys, welcome to my channel where we talk about ways to make money online. My name is David and I've been making money online since 2021 up until now. And I believe that you can do it because I am doing it. So guys, I will try to share with you as much information as possible to help you to get started online and make money and make extra income. So what I'm gonna share with you today guys, or before we can go there, please remember to subscribe and then like the video and then leave the comments on the comment section. So just do that please, for the sake of this channel to grow and then maybe able to share more information with you guys. So today I'm just going to share with you two websites where you can just sell your skills, because I know some of the people they are working 9 to 5 jobs, but you find that their salaries actually they are not able actually to sustain them for the entire month. So they are looking for extra income, or maybe yes, extra income to supplement their monthly incomes. So or for someone actually who would say I am that person who has the skills but you cannot find it, or you cannot find the job. You're that person who has the skills but you cannot find the job, or maybe you're a graduate, you can't find the job. So this sites actually they can help you to get started, or to start making money online. So firstly, for people who are actually working 9 to 5 job, you find that actually most of the time when they get home, actually they have much time in their hands, and you find that they spend that time watching the TV series, watching the Netflix soapies. If maybe you can just change from now and tell yourself actually in 2024, like, okay fine, I'm not gonna I'm not gonna spend this time actually watching the TV. Instead I'm gonna spend this time doing something productive. So start to actually sell your skills to other people and make money out of it. So guys, this website that I'm gonna talk to you about, I'll tell you about, I've started with this website I think in 2021 when I got started. It's one of the websites that I did sign up with, though I didn't really do much on this website, but I know a lot of people who are doing a lot of money out of this website, or platform. So even you actually, I believe if you can take advantage of it and then join this platform, actually I believe you can make money in 2024. So what is this platform that I'm talking about? The platform is called upwork.com. Yes. So how does Upwork works actually? Upwork is, or maybe what is Upwork? Upwork is an online platform which connects the freelancers with the clients that around the world. The clients being, it can be the individuals actually, or the businesses. They have the job and then they want it to be done, and then they go to Upwork to find the people with those skills to do the job for them, and then they pay them. For example, an individual or a business can go to Upwork and then look for someone who can edit the videos, or maybe someone who can make the videos, or someone who can transcribe, someone who can do the voice over. There are a lot of things that you can do on Upwork. So and then you get paid to do that. So yeah, it's open for everyone around the world. It's international. You can sign up from anywhere around the world. So you take advantage of this opportunity. So how do you sign up actually on Upwork? So for you to sign up, you go to upwork.com and then you join as a freelancer actually, because you are there. You're looking for the job, so you're not going to give the job. You're not going to look for someone who's going to work for you. Instead, you're going to work for someone. So you're going to sign up as a freelancer, and then after, when you sign up, you'll sign up with your email address, and then they will ask you to activate your email, and then after signing up actually, and then you activate it. After activating it actually, before you can build up your profile, they will ask you a few questions. So these questions are not difficult, guys. It's all about your experience in freelancing and what is your goal for freelancing. And yeah, so what you need to do, you need to make sure that your profile actually it's complete, and highlight your strengths, and then make sure that you actually you have the sample, or maybe you show the sample of your job. And if you don't have that sample, or maybe you don't have the sample of your job, I would advise you to create an example of what kind of job you can do, because that will help you to get jobs. So highlight your skills there, highlight your experience, and upload your portfolio, and those things actually they will increase the chances of your profile doing good on the platform. Before I can share with you the second website or platform, please remember to subscribe and like the video, and then leave the comment on the comment section. So the second website, guys, that I want to share with you is called Fiverr.com. So Fiverr, actually, guys, I haven't signed with it, or I have not signed up with it, but I know a lot of people who are making money out of it. It's not because maybe I signed up with it and it never worked for me. No, I never even tried it. I had a lot of things, actually, other websites that I was that I signed up with, so I didn't sign up with it. But I know a lot of people, guys, who are making money out of those websites. So what it still works exactly like Upwork, the one I mentioned before. So it's still the marketplace where the clients, or maybe the businesses or the individuals, are looking for people to do their small jobs, and these people, the freelancers, basically, they're looking for the freelancers, and then the freelancers do the jobs for them, and then they pay the freelancers. So on this platform, the jobs actually that are called the gigs. So how do you sign up on this platform? You can still use your email, or maybe you can even use your Facebook account actually to get to sign up. And then when you sign up, you just go to or you just choose or you click, you choose the become a seller, yes. And then after selecting that, then you can sign up with your email or your Facebook account, and then you start to build your profile. So there's some things that you can do that can make your profile to be successful on this platform. So first of all is to make sure that you complete your profile. Make sure that your profile as complete as the way that you want it to be. Don't leave it half done, because that will work against you, will not help you to find jobs. Secondly, one thing that you will need to do on the platform is that, one thing they might do is to verify your ID. And the other thing, make sure that you put a clear profile picture that shows your face. And then there are other things that you are not allowed to do on this platform. The first one is you're not allowed to have multiple accounts. You only have one account. So by doing that, actually, you will be banned on the platform. The other thing is, of which I think people might get tempted to do it, is taking the communication or payment outside the platform, just for you, or maybe trying to avoid to pay the charges that you get to be charged on the platform after doing the job. So that's risky, actually. It's not only risky, or it's not like only the company is losing, or maybe the platform is losing when you take everything outside the platform. It's risky for you, because once you take everything outside the platform, the client might not pay you, after submitting the job. You cannot go in, you cannot blame the platform, because you would have taken everything outside the platform. So it's very advisable that you get everything done on the platform, not outside the platform, because these people, you don't know that we just met them on the platform. So there's a high possibility that you can do the job and then not get paid if you do the job outside the platform. So the ways or maybe the methods they use to pay you on Fiverr actually, they use PayPal. Yeah, if PayPal is working on your country, they use PayPal. If it's not working, they use Payoneer, and then they have direct. Is it yeah, direct transfer? If I get it correct, yes. If I'm saying it correctly, if I'm saying it correctly, yeah. But that one it's applicable for US based people or US citizens. And for I remember for Upwork actually I remember I didn't say actually which methods of payment are they using. Upwork actually they use PayPal also, and if you don't have PayPal, they use also I think even Payoneer, I think they use it, and there's direct deposit. Yeah, direct deposit. Thank you guys, and I hope that guys you will take a step, actually you take an action and implement, or maybe just go to those websites and start to register and build your profiles and start to make money online. And before I can go anywhere guys, please remember to subscribe, and then remember to like the video, and then you can leave the comment guys, and I would like to hear from you guys if you've started to take action on those things that I'm sharing with you. Thank you so much guys, up until we meet again on the next video. Bye bye.